great product. As a generalist freelancer, I see Avicii as a stable, trusted source for my digital provision. I notice their items are bug-free, which tells me they verify their product before allowing their sellers to upload them. I'm concerned about what I upload to my site or what are used on my computer. My files are important to me, and I can't take the risk of allowing any virus on my computer or malware on my site server. Well, be it as it may be, overall, it is worth the money. Highly recommended. This month, I am working on 2 video projects and was able to find several things I needed to make those projects more professional. In less than 3 days, I gathered enough resources to make the project faster than I expected. Just an overall good experience, and I'm happy with the service. Usually, I don't give out 100% ratings apart from my business. I can't recommend it enough. I keep telling all of my creator friends about it. It made me feel like I was better off than them, even though I know they are more experienced than me. I did gain respect for the recommendation. They all said they liked it. 2 out of 8 said you don't need a developer to use their products. Thanks for your awesomeness.